I have a Kia here. This one got hit in this rear body panel and crushed all of this right in this area. And it also folded up the trunk floor. This is all pushed in right here. So it's gonna get a new rear body panel, which I have right here. But first, I'm gonna make a couple quick pulls. I'm gonna drill a hole right through it right here. And I'm going to put this plate on the back side and use that to pull that trunk floor out, work that back into shape. Then I'll start cutting the rear body panel off. I just about have this one all fit together. All my gaps are nice and even. It shuts and latches and seals good across the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this rear body panel welded on.
in there.